Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another tutorial video here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your PC's performance by enabling the high performance mode. So let's start the video. First of all, right click the Windows button and here you can see this run option, or if you cannot find this, just select the search option here and type run, and after that open it by clicking it, and here just type power cfg.cpl and OK. And after that, here you can see balanced and high performance option. All you have to do, just click the high performance option and your computer will now operate in a high performance mode. And if you don't find somehow if you don't find this high performance option here, uh, just click this option under the balanced one, change plan setting, and after that go to change advanced power settings, and here search for the processor power management, this option, and after that expand this one, and here you can see minimum processor state, expand this one, and here all you have to do is make on battery 0% and plugged in 5%. After doing so, expand the maximum power state and make this on battery 100% and plugged in 100%. And after doing that, just click apply and just click OK, and your PC will perform in a high performance mode. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video. And if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one.